Hello everyone! Welcome to Star PH TV. So medyo matagal-tagal din tayong hindi nagpakita sa video, but I would like to create a different type of video now. I think first time natin gagawin to, no? We're going to do an appreciation post about something, and it's actually about this shoe. And yun guys, kung pag-usapan natin to kung ano yung mga na-experience natin dito sa shoes na to and bakit I'm creating this video.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So yun guys, again, this is actually a different video. It's not a shoe review, but more of an appreciation post or appreciation video, and we're going to talk about this shoe. I created a video before a few years ago, and this is the Paul George 5 or PG5 from Nike. So siguro ma-explain ko rin or maintindihan natin dito why sometimes mas okay pa to buy something that's signature and expensive compared dun sa mga simple shoes. So I have been using this since actually during the pandemic and afterwards, but recently we have been using, or I have been using these shoes 3 to 4 times a week. Medyo napahinga lang tayo ng konti because of our back issue, but slowly we're getting back. And at my age, at 46, we're still doing some light games, and as you can see sa mga videos natin na pinopost dito sa Tower PH TV, we're still playing. And ang maganda dito guys, for some I think they used this for indoors, but I actually used it both indoors and heavily outdoors. And pag-usapan muna natin ulit yung materials niya. It's actually Lenoweave na medyo may pagka-plastic. Tapos may mga fuse siya dito na I'm not sure if these are synthetic leathers. Then meron siyang dito parang pag-protect sa mga sa mga para may iwas sa tapilok or sprain. And meron siyang plate sa ilalim. And as said before, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito sa kanya is yung kanyang traction, which is similar to the Kobe 9. But for some sinasabi it is soft, and yun nga, medyo may mga part na napudpod siya for those long years. But if I may recall, siguro mga more than 3 years ko siyang nagamit, and yun, so far happy dahil hindi ako na-injured, hindi ako na-sprain, and until now medyo makapit siya. I'm going to be retiring this soon because we have several shoes na rin na nandyan hindi pa natin nagamit. But actually, hindi ako nag-rotate ng shoes. Ito lang yung ginagamit ko because I really love these shoes, especially nung dumating ito. Big shoutout kay Charles. So, nung nagbigay siya nitong Victory na insole, yun, medyo ang laki ng changes, no, yung sa feeling dun sa shoes. Ito yung original insole niya, medyo manipis na foam lang, but yun, nung tinanggal natin siya and we use this one, nag-iba yung impact niya or effect niya sa atin. Medyo hindi na sumasakit yung tuhod natin, although before naman hindi naman talaga masyado sumasakit, but lately napansin ko with this kinds of insole, talagang 3 times or 4 times a week kami naglalaro, hindi na siya nag-iiwan ng sakit. So internally, I think this is a pull and stroble unit sa from Nike. And ang mga nakita lang natin to, yun, yung fuse niya medyo natatanggal na dito and on this side, but totally hindi pa siya umihiwalay. Yung sa Lenoweave or yung upper niya, ito lang. So most of the time dito tayo nagdadrag or natatapakan, kaya dun siya nagkaroon ng punit. As for the laces, medyo nagkaroon lang siya ng mga konting himulmol. And yung kasi dun sa sa outsole niya, meron siyang mga dito sa part na to. So ito yung mga part na nag-i-skid din tayo with our moves. Medyo naputput na siya, but as said, outdoor wise, medyo nag-hold siya, no. Andun pa rin yung mga threads niya, hindi nawala. And medyo yun nga, hindi tayo masyadong masipag sa paglilinis ng shoes, but throughout the years, never natin siyang nilinis. Still look good, it just look dirty. Same dun sa kabila, ito rin yung nakita natin, but inside it meron pa naman siyang cloth, so hindi talaga siya tumagos dun sa loob. And same feeling with this kind of insole. Kahit bugbog na bugbog yung shoes, my height around 6 feet, tas medyo on heavy side. This is size 11. It held, no? So we're still in a way nakakatalo ng konti, but still masarap siya sa paa. So ayun guys, yun lang yung masasabi natin for this quick video. And it's really, I really want to share my appreciation dito sa shoes na to na tumatagal sa atin. Said, hindi pa naman natin nakikita na i-retire to because I'm still using it for scrimmages and outdoor games. And siguro isasagad na lang natin siya until bumigay na siya. Sadly wala nang wala na yung line ni Paul George sa Nike. I think it stops sa PG6. And yun, so there are other shoes din naman from Nike na I think medyo magiging okay. So as you know, I'm doing a mix of Adidas and Nike sa mga shoes natin for basketball, and basketball something that we don't plan to stop soon. We will play hanggat kaya natin. And again, if you can afford, or yung mga I think local versions, this was brought abroad, so walang local version itong Victory. But for some, if you have a chance or if you have some extras, do get yung insoles na like this one. It's a full carbon plate, then manipis lang yung foam niya, but yung yung makikita mo yung pagkakagawa sa kanya, nakaano talaga sa nung paa, yung sa ilalim. So less impact sa sa tuhod and sa legs, and yun, nakakatulong din sa longevity pagdating sa pagbabasketball. So yun guys, again, I appreciate Nike. If you have extras or on the budget, go get yung but of course you have to check din yung sukat niya. Got this true to size, and yun, nag-break in naman siya, and yung sa umpisa medyo masikay, but for a while or for the longest time nag-stick na, and yung fit niya sa ating paa is okay na okay. Yung mga moves natin, as you can see dun sa mga videos natin, if you want to check them out, yung mga pinopost natin, I'm using these shoes. So yan, maraming salamat sa pag-join. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and you got something about this video on how we are using shoes. Kung meron dyan mag-comment how to clean up shoes, yan. Big shoutout sa ating kasama si Aris Reyes. Siya is a collector ng shoes. So siya yung pinagtatanungan natin how to clean shoes na hindi natin pinapakinggan, but he's collecting mostly Jason Tatum shoes and Jordan shoes. So big shoutout sa brother Aris and kay brother Charles, and yan sa kanyang future wife. Thank you for this one. Hopefully pag medyo bumigay ito, papakuha tayo, and maraming salamat sa support. Big shoutout din sa mga kasama natin dito sa Athena sa pagbabasketball. So yun guys, ganito na lang, medyo mahaba na your thoughts about these shoes, and kung meron din kayong mga kwento about your favorite shoes na ginagamit, yun, please do share din sa atin. Please do share sa comment section below kung ano yung sapatos na talagang tumagal sa inyo and palagi nyong ginagamit. And big shoutout sa ating mga members, sina BF Angel Mendoza Insole, si Sis Geb Hampas Lupang Burgis, si Mami Mads Helen, and si Taste and Sip by Tesha. Yun, please do subscribe to their channel and follow nyo rin sila. Also big shoutout sa ating mga kaibigan na mukbangers, content creators, ASM artists, trading card collectors, and action figure collectors. Sa mga Pinoy YouTubers, please do subscribe and please do support them. Especially big shoutout kay Daddy HLJ and kay Mommy Bell Sato. And I will be posting this sa premiere, and hopefully masamahan nyo ako, kita-kita tayo, and medyo marami tayong mga shoes na i-unbox today. So yung mga, or not today, but actually I'll be creating some more videos of shoe unboxing, yung mga ginawa natin for shorts na gagawin natin yung unboxing din, because I will be starting to use them na rin. And of course, yung mga iba natin na Adidas shoes na Kobe line, well, previously Kobe line, but now it's the Crazy line na. So yun, mga i-unbox natin. So medyo humaba ang ulit. Again, this is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV. Kita-kita po ulit tayo sa ating mga susunod pang mga videos.
Ladies and gentlemen. Let's go.